Medjobs can be your lifelong hiring partner for your hospital or organization. How to recruit hospital staffs using Medjobs? Download the app from Play Store or App Store or visit our website www.medjobs.app. Register for free as a hospital or entity by providing all essential information. Location map link and website are optional. After completing registration, log in again and select Post a new job option and enter all necessary details about the vacancy including job title, qualification, experience, job location, etc. Salary can be entered negotiable if needed. Submit it. Your job post will be published and promoted among potential candidates through various channels. Once a job seeker applies, resume will be sent to your dashboard and to your email for further processing and interview by your team. You can also post locum job vacancies, that is relieving duties. To view the applied candidate details, log in and select Applicants. Keep visiting Medjobs regularly to check for new applicants. If you have any suggestions or features you'd like to see added, please let us know. Your feedback is crucial to us as we strive to enhance the Medjobs platform continuously. Happy hiring!